Let's take a look at this 80s classic here at Unique Specialty in Classics. It's a 1984 Cadillac DeVille, the two-door variety, coupe. Interesting color too. Take a look at this. It's considered sand gray, paint code number 60 and or 7690. While we're up here, let's take a quick peek at these filler panels if you're familiar with this body style, of course, and the rest of the front end here with the chrome front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, and of course the iconic Cadillac hood ornament, all intact. Again, chrome bumper, appears to be in nice shape. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to point that out. The center trim piece does have some pitting on it, if you can see that. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through this car. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. Number to call. You can see that is a spoked wheel. It's a wire wheel. It is not a wheel cover. Wider white walls, radial tires. Take a look at the filler panel on this side. And let's take a look down the passenger side. These long panels appear to be nice and straight. It does have a blue leather interior. Split bench seat. We'll go around to the driver's side here in a bit, start it up. Let you hear it run. Take a little closer look at that interior. Underneath the hood, 4.1 liter, paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Partial vinyl roof. Coupe DeVille insignia. This appears that it is original too. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Here's the rear filler panels. Again, if you're familiar with these, you know that those tend to age, crack, rot out. It appears these have been replaced. Painted, decent shape. Let's take a look at the chrome on the rear. Did mention some pitting on that front trim piece. There is some on the top of the bumper here. Just want to point that out. This car does have a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. And there's no readings on the miles over 53,903 either. So believe it to be an original mile car. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Underside trunk, interior engine bay. Let's take a look at the driver's side from the rear to the front. And those long panels appear to be nice and straight, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I'm sure you can find an imperfection here or there if you look close enough. But overall, car shows well. Fun one to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. All right, so do we have power driver's seat, power windows, locks. Does have tilt and cruise, telescopic wheel tilt. Along with that, like I said, take a look at the leather seating surface. That does appear to be original too. And let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's what odometer, believed to be original miles, 53,903. And again, no readings over that on the Carfax. I have had the wipers working. Have had the AM/FM cassette player working. And digital readout is good on this one. Sometimes you get a little bit of flicker. That's because of the camera. If you're sitting here looking at it in real life, it is not flickering. Lots of times you see those LEDs or what have you going out on them. Take a look at the rest of the dash here. Simulated wood grain looks good. Top of the dash. One fine crack. Not too bad. Rest of the dash looking good. Up that headliner. And you'll be able to see all of this in the still pictures. Take your time looking through them, like I said. Doors don't sound like that closing anymore, do they? Nice solid Cadillac door sound. I guess sounds as you'd expect. In 4.1 liter. V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I got to get in the door here. Let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up. All right, underside of the hood, hood liner, looking good. I want to mention this does have new rear wheel cylinders, brake shoes, and drums. Those are redone, just so you know, rear brakes in this car. And underneath the hood, looks pretty stock, not full of a bunch of corrosion or rust. Actually pretty clean engine bay. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Looks like a newer radiator hose, upper radiator hose here also. 1984 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Call in 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1984 Cadillac DeVille. Blue interior with wood grain. Our turn signal indicators are working. The blower motor works. The AC blows slightly cooler air than outside. This is an automatic on the column. Our factory radio. It is working well. $55 miles an hour, and it's a nice smooth ride. The wipers on this vehicle are also working. Cruise control is functioning. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. The steering wheel does appear to be clocked a little to the right, but that does not affect performance. This steering wheel has the telescoping function, so you can put it right where you would like it. Factory split bench in this vehicle is very comfortable. Cornering is nice, the way it should be for an 84 Cadillac DeVille. Fuel gauge is reading a half. That is the only indicator other than warning lights that are in the dash. Overall, a good condition Cadillac, very comfortable to drive. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.